Darby.
94.9.
Z-Rock.
It's a little something I like to call Science Corner. I'm always in my program director's office, and he's like, you need more science stories. All right, God, all right. Scientists are saying that they believe the sun's approximate 11-year cycle of rising and falling solar activity is going into a rare pattern of inactivity that hasn't taken place since the 17th century, and we all know what that means. Okay, I'll read on. Frank Hill of the National Solar Observatory said the sun's current cycle might be the last normal one for a few decades. What? We all know what that means. Okay, I'll read on. The solar cycle affects modern technology, and it may affect the Earth's climate. Experts are looking into whether this period of solar inactivity could be a second Maunder Minimum. That's right, a Maunder Minimum. We all know what that means. It was a 70-year period from 1645 to 1715. You remember that? The Maunder Minimum. There are actually people listening that know what a Maunder Minimum is, and they know that I'm mispronouncing Maunder, and they're mad. It happened as a 70-year period between 1645 and 1715 when there were hardly any sunspots. It was a period better known as Little Ice Age. That's right, Ice Age. We're screwed. Scientists say the temperature reduction associated with the little sunspot activity would likely be minimal. Likely the key word. What do they know? Do you think scientists back in 1643 were going, oh, Little Ice Age is coming? No, they didn't know. They didn't know what they were talking about. Just saying, you thought that guy that said the end of the world was crazy, right? But sunspots, Little Ice Age. I'm going to stock up on those hats with the ear flaps because you are going to need those, and I'm going to make so much money off of your pain. We get to avenge Sevenfold and mittens. So many mittens. I'll keep all the gloves with the fingers in them for myself and give everybody mittens, and that's how I'll become the ruler of the world because you'll all be walking around with mittens. You won't be able to hold anything. You won't be able to do anything, and I'll have these movable fingers with gloves on. Who wins, me? That's my plan.
Darby.
94.9.